Amazing. Have you ever tried the squid shot?
I old school snack that we 400 This is so good
It's not.
You not eat ice for dessert
Hello. Hello, how are you?
You look beautiful at the same. Gorgeous, come on.
Thank you.
Oh my god this is
Hello.
The restaurant for you.
Wow.
No.
Seriously Wow
That looks great.
And here's all the menu it's all you can eat
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay we're hungry It's $5
Yeah.
This is $5 Yeah $5 for $5ค่า4 200อ่ะ
ไม่ใช่
$7
10
$7.
30 กว่า
400อ่ะโอเค
12
$10 or you can eat for $10
No,
Crazy.
12. It's like
$12. All you can eat.
Yeah.
เนี่ย389คือ40 41 ดอลลาร์40
$1
บาท
33 EM.
I never had like this.
Really? You never
Okay.
try? It's like
I
หมู
never
กระทะ It's called หมูกระทะ you know?
Authentic Thai.
Yeah. Authentic
yeah.
Thai BBQ.
Yeah.
And like
For
hot
hang
pot.
out for fun but not this one
Banana.
No it's a pandan
Okay.
Actually it feels sweet and smell good for me and gek huai is this one you can try a bit yeah this one is gek huai
Gekwe.
yeah and this one is like osha like a Japan tea
Okay.
this is a Thai drink
This is so good.
How
Which
is
one
it?
okay gek huai
This is the most like over the top of energy in the world. For her, right? Here I am 100, she's 1,000. Right? You agree, right? Yeah. So
tried
like
also
just
on
continue
okay
the same one.
yeah and how about your working
You don't have to like
Is
bring
it
the shelter
like
out.
all included with this
Perfect.
and with this, or you
Exactly.
choose both?
We can choose both. You can choose only one, or you can choose both.
But you pay extra for both? Or?
yeah
Yeah, like $2 for one more.
Okay.
But it's very cheap.
Thank you. Kopkum Kap.
That's why I love my country.
Yeah.
Everything is so
Eating so much here.
yeah.
You gain weight.
All you can
น้ำจิ้
eat
ม
for
น้ำจิ้มมีหลาย
$12.
แบบนะครับ
and most of the time that we eat something like
Looks
this
delicious.
we must have this one it's a sauce
Oh, is it spicy?
อ๋องั้นเดี๋ยวเอาอันนี้มา
It's gonna be spicy for us probably. It looks so
เอาอันนี้
spicy.
มาให้ครบอีก 2 คนก็ได้ครับ แล้วก็น้ำจิ้มที่เหลือครับ
That's the leaf.
เอา
The
มา
pandang.
ก็ได้ครับ
Yeah.
Is pandang not the curry?
no
Rendang. Beef rendang is curry. Or
I don't know vocabulary
maybe it's from Bali. The rendang beef, I think.
โอเคของหนูนะคะ
Okay.
Oh you have house in Bali right
Yeah.
ลืมว่ามันต้องใส่มันก่อน
Before
So
you
we
do
have
that
shabu in Taiwan, but what's that?
you have to bring this one
first
the skin of the pork to here
yeah
This pork skin.
Yes.
Yeah.
And
Pork
you're gonna
skin
like-
for the oil. Oh my
yeah it's for the oil to make it like more smooth
Juicy.
yeah
Ah.
นี่เขาบอกว่าเขาถูกมากไงเขาเลยงงว่าทำไมเขาถูก
It smells
หนูก็จะ
good.
อยู่ในนั้นอะแล้วถ้าสมมติมีคนไทยดูคลิปอะโอเคผักก่อนผักใส่ในนี้
ล้างมือยังแม่ได้แหละ
More.
more
ทำไมคุณพี่อยู่ดีคุณพี่ก็อนามัย
เดี๋ยวจะพักเพิ่มดีกว่า so you can eat pork and beef and everything right?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
we eat everything. We eat all.
very nice
คุณน้าค่ะหนูขอจานเพิ่มแล้วก็ช็อปสติ๊กเพิ่มหน่อยนะคะ
พูด
More.
ภาษาไทยพูดภาษาไทยเยี่ยม
This is the job, the most bad job.
yeah
อันนี้สามารถถอนเลยได้ไหมคะหรือไม่มีเนย
Some arm
ไม่
training.
มีเนาะ
How about one? This is crazy. I never saw that before. That
Me
you
no,
do
huh?
this. So we got here the hot pot,
yes the shabu
the
shabu
shabu, and here the barbecue.
Authentic Thai style.
Yes, and here the chili party.
because Thai people love to share food
Yes, and I love it too. What's the name of it?
หมูกระทะ
Moo Kratha.
yeah
So we're trying the first time Moo
หนูขอ
Kratha.
ทำเผ็ดเค็ม
We got like so many sauce. We got this sesame, something like teriyaki, this green, this chili,
So
onion.
I'm gonna try now here a little bit with this sauce. So let's see if it's not too spicy.
Oh, you put this also here.
400กินอันนี้เนื้อแล้วเนี่ย
Wow.
400ไม่ได้นะ
Is it good?
Aloy.
เดี๋ยวดีเดี๋ยวดี
อร่อยอร่อย
Aloy. Aloy. Aloy.
like
Wow.
Australian beef maybe
So good.
So
So
good.
juicy.
and close
Wow,
camera.
paradise.
No.
No, it's really good.
It's be real,
And you also
right?
have shrimps, and we got here some squid as well, and fish. And we're in a little garden. This is so cute.
Okay.
Best result you have to put with this one.
With this sauce.
Yes.
Okay.
What's the name? You know?
Suki sauce.
Suki.
Sauce.
Okay, let me try.
Okay, be careful.
You have to bring the mushroom. The mushroom.
The mushroom is so good,
Yeah.
right?
Is it shiitake mushroom?
It's I don't know. It's that great, but it's a small that great. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. It's so yummy.
Thank you.
Happy.
You know,
You are
because
happy.
normally you also have like mala hot pot.
Yeah.
You also use that because normally like food is so spicy from Thai food, you know, and this is more.
I feel like it's so cool that you have a grill and also like a soup around it. I've
yes.
never seen that before.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Thai style.
More mushroom.
So guys, have you ever tried the squid shot?
Yeah.
Really? Squid shot.
Screenshot. What are
What
again?
is mean?
What? Oh, one again.
Squid shot. Like we saw that on TikTok. Like you can have that in Bangkok. You go to the market. You have a squid, which is just like still alive.
Yeah, I tried.
You put it in the sauce and you just bite
The
the head.
first one, right?
Yeah. Is
the
it good?
real one, like, yeah, it's good, but it's very sad.
Yeah.
Try it in Pattaya a lot.
We tried
try,
dancing shrimp, but not squid shot.
No,
Squid
just
shot is
the fresh squid, right?
yeah.
You should try. I think
Yeah.
you should try. Amazing.
It's kind of a test if you're brave or not.
It's fine. It's kind of feel hurt, but okay. And so many people do. But I haven't tried now because it's quite scary.
I tried
because
once, but
it will bite you.
Yeah,
If you
it's
didn't eat it correctly, it will bite you.
Oh really?
Yeah.
And it stays in your
the black, right?
throat.
Yeah. The
Black ink.
Yeah.
Should try. The flowers, you should try.
Okay, I will see if I'm gonna try that.
Yeah.
Let
Are
me
you
know
brave
if you
enough?
ever tried.
Would you be
I don't
brave
know.
enough to try that?
I don't know. This one is crazy.
But when you're in front of it, I think you will brave enough.
You know,
Yeah.
I also think from like the dancing shrimps, I will not try.
Yeah.
But then when everyone is trying, then it's okay. But
And I think like sometimes they die like more sad, you know, if they are in the big fishing nets and everything. So if you just bite them, you know, it's okay. They're dead, you know.
I love shrimp.
So which one is your favorite?
Actually, for me, this one, the pork one.
The pork.
Here, I think this one. This is so good.
Yeah.
It's not pork, it's beef.
Like it's beyond the price. It's feel more beyond the price.
You like it more than the beef?
Yeah.
It's beef.
Actually, it's a beef.
Ah, it's the
Yeah.
beef. And which one is your favorite, Lloyd?
Exactly, shrimp. And this one too, pork neck.
Oh, pork neck.
Pork neck, so
Oh, it has a lot of fat, right?
Yeah.
I forget
Yeah.
to tell you, mushroom is great too.
oh,
yeah.
yeah.
The one that
mushrooms.
this one, but it's out already. This one is so good.
And this one too, the garlic rice.
The
fried
garlic rice. Everything,
Yeah.
everything.
In like $12.
For $12.
Yeah.
Crazy.
All you can eat.
All you can eat for $12.
Yeah, this is
Have you ever had that?
paradise. No.
That's why we love Thailand.
Yeah.
What I feel like is crazy, guys. In Asia, they love to eat like fat meat. That's crazy because in Europe, you know, we cut that away. We don't eat the fat, yeah.
Oh.
And here, you love the fat.
We love fat.
So, guys,
That's why Thai people die so soon.
so guys, we are eating here since like 2 hours.
Like I like.
But we don't get
That's
full
why
because
I put
everything
it
is
from
so
you.
light to eat, but it's so delicious. We can eat here the whole day, and yeah, it's just so delicious.
Always to the.
Oh, the typical Thai dessert.
Oh my god.
Wow, I've never seen that.
We have like own spoon, okay? One per one.
This is a banana.
Banana.
Coconut
Syrup
milk.
and coconut milk.
Why is it green?
But I think my favorite is this one.
The bingsha.
I love the bingsu.
Bingshu.
But it is so normal Thai bingsu. Normal Thai ice cream, right? Ice cheese.
So this is banana.
Banana.
This
Just
spaghetti.
No.
You speak one more. You explain each of them like okay, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, this is banana.
Yes, with coconut milk.
And this is spaghetti pesto.
Oh no. Spaghetti.
Oh my god.
We
And
call
this?
lochong.
Lochong.
It's like sticky
Oh my
rice, right?
god.
Okay. Sticky rice
With coconut milk.
with coconut
What
milk.
is this?
Yeah.
And this one, what's that?
Ice.
Unicorn poop.
You're so funny. It's like this. It's long can.
Yeah, longer.
Long
We should try.
Okay, I use this spoon one. Okay.
Okay, let me know how it is. Because I'm not eating the dessert yet.
I'm eating unicorn poop.
Unicorn poop. Fresh.
Ice.
And you should try this
The-
one.
It's ice
You should
with
try this one.
something sweet. This one is
It's banana.
banana
Yeah.
with milk.
Coconut milk. This one good, right?
It's good.
So try the spaghetti.
The pesto.
Spaghetti pesto.
Pesto. Ravioli.
Oh my god, it really looks
Angel
like
hair. But not intense, right? But it's fresh.
Which one is the best
Okay.
so far?
The last one.
Last one.
The
Last
long
one.
can.
Longan.
What do you call this?
I don't know. We don't
I
know.
don't know what that is.
Rice with the white sauce.
I can't say that in front of the camera.
Which one is it? Which you like the most?
I love this one.
Really?
Oh, this one.
Spaghetti
Not
and
ice.
This is just ice.
So right?
Like Thai people eat so healthy that they even eat ice as dessert.
No, they are some kind of like flavor of the red sweet. Not just ice.
Oh my god, this is our traditional ice cream. You not eat ice cream? You not eat ice for dessert?
our ice cream is like, I don't know, more creamy
It's
or
not like just, just ice.
not just ice. No.
And you see,
and-
it have a bread in the ice. It's
Oh.
not just an ice.
Bread in the ice cream.
Bread.
Bread, yeah.
right.
Soft bread.
Your Switzerland bread.
Toast.
That's not Switzerland bread.
Yeah. You can choose.
Toast with ice.
Yeah, that's it.
This is
That's-
this is toast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Okay, we got toast and ice cream now.
Ice with bread.
This is the
Ice with bread.
weirdest dessert I ever tried.
Really?
You just got toast with ice. Oh my god.
Really Thai. Normally eat.
I'm looking forward to try, but first I have to finish.
Yeah. Soon,
All the
soon,
meat.
come on.
Why the toast? Okay, they're changing the fire. Wow. This is so cool. Traditional
They change
style.
at the last 10 minutes.
Our meat is still here.
For the dessert.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
โอเค thank you
you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
ขอบคุ
อ
ณ
ร่อยมากเลย
ค่ะ
ค่ะวิมันร้อนเลยอ่ะ
Okay, it's hot now. We can hurry eat.
Let's go.
Finally.
เขาไม่ตัดเด็ด it's like a bubble and it's become a big old school snack that we usually eat and most of it is like 5 baht 10 baht
Really? Where can you buy that?
actually the street that if you will
Machine.
go to the market that I told you is half it will have like a big one
But not. It's not in 7-Eleven.
no because it's an old
It's very
school
hard to find the rare one.
Oh.
this is my most love
Oh, it's sweet.
it's a wood candy
Wood that you can eat.
candy wood that you can eat
Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
this is our noodle
Which is my favorite.
yeah.
So we change from eating
very soft.
Most when you eat a noodle,
wood.
you will boil with the water, right?
Yeah.
Boil
Yeah.
with the water, but no. This we're gonna crack
Just crispy.
Okay,
here. Yep.
it's
This
all
one-
candies.
This is my favorite.
Yep. What's that?
It's cola candy.
This is the ice cream. Okay, maybe you like ice cream. So let's try this ice cream.
Let's
Oh
try.
my god, this is so cute.
And they have. Okay, this cannot eat. I just want you.
Oh, yeah.
It's things that old school do to play to get
คืออะไร
fun
อะ กระเทียมเหรอ
Oh, it's kind of likeแบบ you have to
We have to throw to the floor. To
and
the floor.
but this one you have to your feet so it will be like a disco. I don't know.
Just like boom and boom boom on the floor.
Let's
try
let's
later.
try. Let's try later นะ in your safe place. In your
Okay.
Bali anything นะ that you think is safe
That's
อะ
an apartment.
Not apartment, will
Yeah.
fire.
It's loud.
Really will
Not
fire.
yet, not that fire, but it's like maybe I don't know.
And
I've
this
never
is
seen
like
that.
a
Just normally
fruit
flour.
bomb. It's just a fruit bomb.
A fruit.
Yeah, it have like it have this sound. You have to drink like this.
It's not a
Okay.
bomb.
Yeah, it's not kind of a
It's
bomb, but
like
the taste feel
Small
like a bomb.
candy. Small candy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you
Yeah,
can
to
look
eat.
at the face.
To eat, you can eat.
The
No
banana
face
have
mask.
that
You
face.
eat everything except
Ah.
the fire นะ Okay นะ
You can eat anything with not
This will
this one.
firework in your mouth นะ
Nah.
This not.
It's
You
a
eat this
food step 3 3 4. You know, food step 3 3 4.
Okay, we have to remind.
We have to
This
remind
what I
them.
like the most. Like
that?
when you get on the airplane and you get this ear, like this
Yeah.
sour is like the best.
Really?
Yeah.
คืออะไร
Oh,
อ่ะ
it can throw, like you can swallow. It's not chewing gum. Boy,
อ๋อบวย
how you say boy? But boy in Thai sometimes you can
umeshu.
say loser, no? But it's not
Umeshu
that in the
umeshu.
meaning, na. Umeshu.
You know umeshu
But this one you
Umeshu.
can try
No.
a bit. You can try. It's not that hard.
Okay, should we try now?
Yeah, that one.
Okay,
It's an easy one.
open.
This is so cool.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, let's try to do this. This actually this is a new one. Yeah, this millionaire generation.
I cannot.
How do you open it?
No, just yeah. No?
Let me.
อุ้ยคุณพี่นี่
Oh.
Let's smell it first and then describe.
Oh my god.
How does it smell?
What is this? It's like. It is like. I know what it is.
I think you know because you come from
Swanme. We say swanme. It's like
It's kind of fruit
yeah. And after that you can go to toilet,
Ah,
right?
It's the same you think
I remember this one. It's also in Taiwan, right?
I don't know. I haven't tried in Taiwan, so I don't know if have same.
เดี๋ยว
But
แย่งของ
ours is
เดี๋ยวกินได้
ขอบคุณครับ
แบบซุปเปอร์อร่อยเลย
อร่อยอร่อย
เดี๋ยวจะไปอยู่ใน YouTube เขาด้วยนะคะคนตาม200,000เลยค่ะ
Thank you ขอบคุณครับ
So this is the place.
Yeah.
What's the name?
The name of is translate to original ต้นตำรับ is mean original
Original.
Yes original
Ah, okay. The original restaurant
Yeah.
in Bangkok.
Yes
Perfect. So guys, if you wanna have some very, very delicious, authentic Thai food, you have to come to this restaurant.
Yeah บ้านต้นตำรับ
It
is
was
the name บ้านต้นตำรับ
Banton
บ้านต้นตำรับ
Banton Pamrap.
Yes
Okay. Banton Pamrap. Come here, guys. So much, guys.
See you
Bye bye.
Walk, okay?
See you soon.
See you one year per month
See you soon.
one time per year see you
What an amazing lunch or dinner, almost.
Yeah, it was actually
We
a
ate
late
so long.
or an early dinner.
We started at like 4 o'clock and we ate until now, and it was so good. We love the authentic food. Now it's almost 7, so we almost ate for 3 hours. But it was so fun because like our friends, you know, we could chill with them, we could talk with them, and we could like it's an activity, you know. You really enjoy it to share the food, and they're so cute.
Yeah,
they also gave us
Thai old school
sweets. So
and I'm looking forward to try these things out. I think we should make a video of it.
comment down below if we should make a video how we try Thai sweets.
Yes.
So thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.
Bye bye.